This video is for theme handling data unit pictograms, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the JIT software to create pictograms. Now, the first thing you need to do is to navigate to the JIT website, and you should be able to do that by using the portal. Your teacher should be able to show you the steps you need to go through to take you to this website. If you haven't got access to the portal, then you need to type this web address into your web browser. If that's too many letters for you to type in, instead of typing that in there, you could type this into the web address bar, making sure that you use capitals where you see them. Once you've accessed the JIT website, like this, first thing you need to do is click on this orange button that says Sign In. Then you'll need to enter your school name, your username, which you should be able to get from your teacher. So you should be able to get your school name from your teacher, your username from your teacher, and then your own password from your teacher. So don't type these details in, type yours in, and your teacher should be able to give you those. Once you've typed them in, press the green tick, and if you type them in correctly, you'll sign in. You'll know that you're signed in because the orange circle no longer says sign in, it says save. Now the first thing we need to do is need to click on the red button at the top called Pictograms. And then when we go to this screen, we need to click on the blank button here, because we are going to create a blank pictogram. Now I'm going to create a pictogram all about fruit. Not animals, fruit. So to change this animals into fruit, I need to click where it says animals, and I could choose lots of different things to create pictograms for, but I'm going to choose food and drink. And then I can scroll through these pictures and put them into my pictogram down here. So I'm going to put this apple into this box, and then I'm going to scroll through and put a banana. Now the way I'm putting these objects or these fruits into the box is I put my cursor over it, click once, and then move it down to the box and click again, like that. And I'm going to search through these very quickly to find some more fruits. I'm going to put an orange in this one. I'm going to put a pear in this one. Now I only want 4 boxes, so to get rid of this last one, I need to click on this little red takeaway sign down here at the bottom, and that'll just give me 4 boxes. Then I need to get rid of this pear that keeps following me around, so I'm going to click on this brush tool. Now the next step is I'm going to put a label on each of these. So instead of it saying label down here, I'm going to type in what the actual fruit is. If you don't know how to spell these fruits, you can ask your teacher and they will help you with the spellings. Once you've labelled them, you then need to go around to your class and ask how many people prefer apples as their fruit. In my class, there are 4 people that like apples the most. You then need to ask the same question for bananas, and in my class I had 6 people who like bananas the most. And then I'm going to do the same for oranges. There are 2, and then there's only 1 person who likes pears the most. So there's not a lot of people in my class, and you can clearly see that bananas is the most popular fruit and pears is the least popular. Once you've done your pictogram, you need to put a title on it. So I'm going to click up here and I'm going to put favourite fruit, like that. And then I need to save it. So I click on this orange button here at the top, and then that will save my pictogram, like that. What I can also do is if I go to another program and then I want to come back to my pictogram, I might want to load another pictogram that I've done before. So if I click on the load button, you can see that I've got other pictograms I've done before. And so I can click on these different pictograms, like this one, and I can edit it if I want, like this, and I can add more to it. If I make a mistake at any point, I can use the undo button here, and that'll undo what I've just done. I can also, if you ask your teacher, you can also print your pictogram out, but make sure you ask your teacher first. Or I can create a new one. By pressing the new button, I can save this one, and then I can create a new pictogram of pets, fruit, mini beasts, or a blank one.